Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to deregister connected device on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can go and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can press profile icon at the bottom. And then you can scroll down until find device option. Okay, and then press on it. Well, and then to deregister the connected device, you can click on this option. And then you can click once again to approve. Well, that's the tutorial on how to deregister connected device on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.